What's up? What's up? What's up, my curl friends? It's your girl Ty the Natural, and I'm back with another video. So today I have a special treat for you, and I'm showing you how I get rid of this old wash and go and turn it into this simple, cute, protective style. So if you want to see more, just keep on watching. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. We are so happy you are here. And if you enjoy product hauls, protective styling, and natural hair education to help grow your hair and prevent breakage, then make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you will not miss any more of my future content. All right, now let's get into this hair tutorial, shall we? Okay guys, so first what you want to do is start off moisturizing your hair because you never want to work on dry hair. That causes breakage, tangles, and knots, and that we want to avoid, right? So make sure you start off with damped or wet hair so that you are not causing any breakage, because around here we like length retention. So what I'm doing is working in parts, and after I'm fully moisturize all my hair, I'm going to section off the top part by parting it down the middle, and then I'm going to go all the way to the back because we are doing 2 bubble ponytails, so we need 2 sections. I'm just starting off adding in the moisture with my As I Am leave-in conditioner, and I'm taking my Baldhead Magic, and this is really good for alopecia and hair loss. So of course I'm putting it on my edges since I am pulling my hair back, because y'all know my edges are very fragile and so are yours. So we need to make sure that we're taking the proper care for them and making sure that they are nourished to the fullest. So now I'm going to take my Eco Styling Gel just to help keep my hair in place. I really love this gel because it's not too heavy, it's super light, and it doesn't make your hair hard, but it does have a nice hold. So I really like this gel. So if you have not used it, I do recommend that you give it a try. And I'm just going to throw the other section up in a ponytail just so I don't accidentally grab it and add it into my other ponytail, which I kind of think I did in the very back because my section wasn't straight, but hey, who cares? The hairstyle still came out fine, and that's all that matters, right? And next I will be using the Edge Booster Style Factor Gel. And y'all, it was the grape scent and it smelled phenomenal. It smelled amazing. And I will say that it really did slick my hair down, and it didn't make my hair white, but I did put Jamaican black castor seed oil over the gel because I didn't want my hair to become white. So as you can see, it's nice and slicked down. And now I'm just going to protect my ends on my ponytail, and I'm just going to twist this up so my hair just isn't out. And then I'm going to wrap this around, and then I'm going to put a scrunchie over that just to hold my little bun in place. And this is how it should look after you have both buns and both areas slicked down. Now this is the hair I'm using, the 2X Afro Twist hair. It's Marley hair, and it is the Janet collection, and this is the color 1B. Now I decided to use this hair because it looks more like our hair. It has the little kinks and coils in it, and I didn't really want to use the straight material because I wanted it to look more natural. So that is the reason why I've chose this hair. And as you can see, I just rubber banded the hair onto my little bun, and then I just covered the hair up. I just covered my bun up with the hair. However, I do recommend that you may use like a bobby pin to keep the hair in place so that your bun does not, come through and no one sees it. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to start the rubber bands. So you just want to take one rubber band and create the bubble effect. So I'm going to put the rubber band around this section and pull the hair through neatly as possible so I don't cause any tangles, and then I just fluff it out to cause that big puff up at the top to get the look that I'm looking for. And then I'm going to take a second rubber band and I'm going to create a second bubble. And I'm just going to fluff that just a little bit, not too big because I don't want it to be bigger than the top one. And next you're just going to French braid the hair on down for a little bit, not all the way down because you want to leave some hair so that the ends are free. Once you have braided like maybe 2 inches down, then you want to take the rubber band and rubber band that in place so that the braid does not come down. And this is what it should look like after you have finished the braid and rubber banded it. Okay, so now I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side, but I'm just going to speed up the video for the sake of time. So I'm going to let y'all enjoy this section real fast, and then I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, so now it is baby hair time. So I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm just gonna do a couple swoops on each side, 2 on each side, and that's gonna be it. Simple and cute, nothing too complicated. But these were a little tedious, if I must say, but I eventually got it to working, so it all worked out. Now, in order to get your hair to lay down, you want to make sure you wrap your hair in a silk scarf, which is what I did. So after I get done letting it sit on my hair for about 20 minutes, this is what we're looking like. And I must say I am loving it, but I wanted to jazz it up a little bit. So I'm like, maybe some jewelry would be nice. So I just added a couple elements here just to jazz it up a little bit. And honestly, less is more. I really love this hairstyle. I love how it turned out. So if you guys enjoyed this content, be sure to smash that thumbs up button and that bell icon so you will not miss any more of my videos. And I'm gonna see y'all back here next week. I